Don't wanna be anywhere, any place that I can feel you. I just wanna be near you. And yes, I'm a mess, but I'm blessed to be stuck with you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome to my channel, Vibe with KayMarie. Today, I'm going to be showing y'all how to get these eyebrows. That ain't going nowhere, honey. These eyebrows ain't going nowhere. Why? Because I show you my original eyebrow routine and what I do anytime I'm doing like a makeup look. But then I also show you guys in this video how to get waterproof, non-fading eyebrows. And so I'm going to show you my original routine, and then I show you option number 1 and then option number 2, which I am in love with. And so I hope you guys really enjoy this. I wanted to do it because in my future makeup tutorials, I won't be showing you how I do my eyebrows. You would just refer to this video for how I would do them. And then also because it is summertime and it's hot outside, and if you try to fill in your eyebrows and use like a pencil or any type of, you know, eyebrow product, baby girl, it's gonna fade. So, you know, I had to show you guys a little secret on what I do. And so I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I hope you find it helpful. So let's get right into it. So the first thing you want to use is, the first thing you want to do is clean up your brows. So whether that be you getting them threaded or waxed professionally, I like to do mine at home with a eyebrow razor, and I had already did it about a month ago, so I don't really have to do them again. But there are just like little hairs like here that I will clean up. And the reason why you want to clean up your brows is because it's just gonna give it a way cleaner look. I mean, obviously, like if your brows aren't clean, then like it's just gonna look a hot mess. So you just want to go ahead and clean up your brows. If you do decide to do it at home, be careful because something dropped while I was cleaning in my room, and like when I was cleaning my eyebrows, something dropped and your girl got scared and she said swoop. So there's like a little missing patch right there, and that's why like this side is like a little bit fuller than that side. So if you do this, be careful and make sure nothing's gonna scare you. Yeah, I tweaked. Alright, but so after you're done doing this, you're gonna go ahead and obviously fill them in. There are a few products that I like to use. Really, you can use like 99-cent eyebrow pencil if you want to be fancy and buy something like this. This is the Anastasia dip in Ebony. This is $20-something, which is honestly ridiculous. I mean, I bought it though, but you don't have to use something like this. They also do have another. e.l.f. has a Dipbrow. I will link it put it in the description box below. That's something I also like to use as well. But I'm going to go ahead and use an eyebrow pencil. And this one, I'm not sure which one it is, but I will link it in the description box below as well. This is like super creamy, and I just use this little shaver. Oh yeah, look at that point. And then you're literally, I just can't even emphasize how easy this is. Like, okay, so basically you're gonna follow your natural line. So I like to start with the ends, and because I shaved out the extra spot, we're gonna reline the extra spot back up. Okay. Look how easy that is, y'all. I swear, it's not that difficult. Everyone makes it seem like it's the hardest thing ever, and it's not. And then you're gonna spoolie it up. So after you get to the front part, just like that, you're gonna spoolie it all out. Like, I don't know how in depth I can get with this because it's so easy, you guys. That's why it's so important to clean it up, because once you clean it up, it's just so easy. So you're gonna line the sides line the ends, and then you're going to outline the rest of it. And then for the inner part, I literally just do like 2 lines and then I brush it out. Because you want it to be lighter in the front, so you don't want to go as harsh or as dark in that area, or you're just going to look like a fool. Now, some people would just stop here, but for me, this is a little, like, you can see it needs to get cleaned up. So, obviously, I'm not going to stop there. But after you do that, you're just going to clean it up. And I go in with a concealer that's usually 1 shade lighter. So I'm using my LA Pro. You can use 1 shade lighter. You can use your legit color however you want it to be. Some people don't want it to be lighter under. They just want it to be like super natural. So then you can go in with the concealer that matches your skin tone. Or you can do 1 shade lighter. So I'm using this brush and I'm gonna blend it all out. And just like that, you got eyebrows in 0.5. Literally, that has to be the easiest and quickest way I could ever show you how to do eyebrows. It's super easy, guys. Once again, literally used 1 pencil with the spoolie that's already attached, concealer, and a brush to blend it out, and a brush to apply it. This is all you need. Like, anything else, you don't need it, like, and a sharpener. But, like, it's super, super easy. I hope this was helpful. But I also have a little extra something for this video. It is summertime, it is hot, and not a lot of people want to, you know, fill in their brows, or they feel like, you know, you wipe it off, it's gonna be gone, you sweating, it's gonna be gone. So I want to show you guys how to get waterproof eyebrows. This here is from Maybelline. It is the Maybelline Tattoo Studio Brow Gel. It's supposed to last about 2 days. I noticed that if I use makeup removing wipes, it will come off, but with regular like water, when I went on the beach, my eyebrows were still there. They were still intact. They won't go anywhere. So this is really, really amazing, and I'm gonna show you guys how it works. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean off one of my brows, just to show you guys. Which eyebrow do I want to clean off? I think I'm gonna go with this one. Okay. So what I'm gonna use is this very small, thin brush. You can use any sort of angle brush or anything like that. You're gonna outline the ends like so, and you're gonna begin to just outline everything, and then you're gonna fill it in. It literally does not get any easier than that, guys. Outline the ends and fill it in. And then what I like to do is I like to use my spoolie brush and kind of just brush out the brow. So now this has been sitting for like 2 minutes. So we're gonna see is this really good or not. So what I'm gonna do is, this is water. I'm gonna spray my brow. I'm scared. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh, okay. Alright. Y'all see it. So that's that. That just goes to show y'all the brow is still there, okay? So this is option number 1, but don't be fooled. This is waterproof, and just waterproof. It stops right there. So if I wanted to use makeup remover, it will come off. So I don't want y'all to think it's not gonna like ever come off. If you use makeup remover, it will come off. You see that? It will go away, but it is waterproof. So I look crazy with one eyebrow filled and one eyebrow not filled, but y'all gonna have to bear with me right now. So yes, this does work, and yes, it is waterproof. Yes, it will last maybe 2 days, at most 2 days really. 3 days, that's a stretch. Your eyebrow gonna be fading. But let's say you maybe want something a little bit more permanent. Let's go on to option number 2. So option number 2 here, I'm gonna go ahead and clean off my brows so y'all not looking at me like I'm crazy right now. Okay. All right. So option number 2 is this baby right here that I got from the beauty supply store for $5.99, and I'm gonna try it out today. It is an instant eyebrow tint, and why would one want to use this? It says, why tint your eyebrows with Godefroy instant eyebrow tint, a great alternative to daily eyebrow pencil. Can't find it. A great alternative to daily eyebrow pencil and powder application. Tinting your eyebrows helps define each brow hair, giving the appearance of longer, thicker eyebrows. How long will it last? With a proper application, it will last up to 6 weeks. That is the rest of the summer. No, it's not, but it's most of the summer. Waterproof and non-fading, you can enjoy all outdoor activities without applying daily eyebrow color, and it says it takes less than 2 minutes. Is it safe? It says it is clinically safe for use. So we are gonna go ahead and tint the eyebrows today, and we're gonna see, is this crazy? But it's gonna give you all, it gives you all the instructions here. So okay, oh, that's so cute. So they have this little, what they call like a workstation, like this, right? And then you're gonna apply whatever's here onto the little circle. So that's what I'm gonna do. So you don't mix the products together. It's best to tint one eyebrow at a time. So this is colorant number 1, which I guess I'm gonna squeeze on here. I don't know what's going on. This is a lot. I'm not gonna need all of this. Why did they give me so much? Whatever. Maybe I could tint somebody else's eyebrow. And then this is the gel activator. So it comes with a cream colorant and then a gel activator. Oh, y'all, I'm so excited. Your girl might have found the solution. Because ain't nobody paying no $355 or whatever to go. This solution number 1. I'm scared. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh my gosh, y'all. I need to get really up close. This has to be perfect. All right, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Okay, so this thing is so extra. All right, we got it. Okay, so now it says to pat dry, blot excess color. So I'm gonna blot the excess color. Oh, y'all, this is already starting to look good. And then now we're gonna put the gel over it. Okay. Oh. Oh. Wait, I hope it don't look like this though. I hope it don't look like that. Oh my god, I hope it don't look like that. I hope it does not look like that. Oh no. Oh my gosh, if it looks like this, y'all will not see me on here for 6 weeks, okay? Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna start the timer. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm stressed. Oh my god, 4 seconds. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I'm taking off right now, right now. Let's go. Wait a minute, wait a minute. But wait a minute. I mean, we talking about from this to this. Like, that's it. That's it. It's a wrap. It's a wrap. This is the real test. This makeup remover, though. This is the real test. I just put makeup remover on my brows and they didn't go away. They done did it. I'm sorry. Forget I even said anything about this tattoo studio. Y'all, if you are looking for waterproof, non-fading eyebrows, you need to go ahead and get this instant eyebrow tint. Guys, I'm too hyped right now. I gotta go fill and do my other eyebrow. Hope you guys like this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button and comment down below if you guys are gonna try this, if you tried it, if I don't know, maybe you use this, maybe you like this. Let me know in the comments down below, guys, and I will see you in my next video. I gotta go.